Okay, so like, I'm like really sad. Yesterday, last night at Cassandra's party, I forgot to freaking bring my phone so I could vlog, right? So I didn't get any of her party on camera or anything. So that sucks. Today's Sunday, and I have to go to school tomorrow. I'm sad. I'm trying to get into Lana Del Rey, but I just can't. Like, the only song that I kind of like is like video games. I didn't even listen to the words though. I just listened to the beginning, but then like I don't know. I don't feel it. So yeah, me and Cassandra slept until freaking, oh my god, it's already 4. We slept until 12:30. Then we got up at 1 and we made pancakes, and then we came back in my room and laid down, or not laid down, but like we were on the computer listening to The Weeknd and stuff. And like it's been such a short day. I feel like I wasted a whole day. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna edit what I got of yesterday. So hold up. Hi guys. Okay, so right now the Grammys are on. The Grammys. Okay, the Grammys. Anyway, I'm gonna do the dishes. I never did the dishes yesterday whenever I said I was. While those are drying, I'm gonna clean my mom's mini fridge for her because she asked me to, so I'm going to do it. I'm gonna use one of these rags, I guess. Alright, so get a soapy rag.
Get your fridge and just start wiping it down as much as you can so it's not all grungy and gross. Gross. And then, open your fridge up and just start wiping the inside. My cat's about to go in there. Cat! Okay, so then, wipe the bottom.
Alright, so once you have that done, you want to get a dry rag and wipe that down. So there's your clean fridge. It's very clean now. No grunge. Give y'all an inside scoop. Yeah, that's how it looks. It's very nice and clean.